Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and install Crackle in your phone. So, let's go ahead and open the Google Play Store in your phone. Go to the search bar and then search for Crackle. Click on Crackle and then tap on Install. You must wait for a while as your download speed might be affected by the internet speed. So keep your patience, and in a while Crackle will be downloaded and installed in your phone shortly. As you can see that Crackle is installing, and now you can open the app and watch movies and series for free. So this was a video on how you can download and install Crackle in your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.